Yes, on many newer cars, you may not be able to reset the oil life at home after an oil change, and the old button tricks will not work. If the reset option is gone, gray, or the dash says dealer only, the fix is usually either the exact pedal steps for that exact model year or a scan tool that can get past the car's security and do the service reset. Here is the reason. On older cars, the dash could often clear the oil reminder by itself. On many newer cars, that reset command is locked behind the car's network security, so a basic scan tool cannot send the right command through. That is why pulling the 12-volt battery cable, turning the key on and off fast, or holding the trip button does nothing on a modern controller area network system. Those tricks worked on some older cars. On newer platforms, they are usually a dead end. The main thing is to treat this as an exact model year problem, not a general oil change problem. A newer Fiat Chrysler automobiles or Stellantis vehicle from 2018 and up with a security gateway module is a known case. Many newer European car systems do the same kind of blocking. On those cars, the diagnostic port can be protected by a firewall, and a basic onboard diagnostics 2-scan tool may be blocked from sending the oil reset command to the body control module unless the tool has active factory-level approval. So do not keep trying random reset moves. Use only the exact manual reset steps for your exact year, engine, trim, and dash setup. One known pattern on some vehicles is this. Turn the key to on without starting the engine. Press the gas pedal all the way down 3 times within 10 seconds, then turn the key off. That can work, but only if that exact software accepts that sequence. If the menu stays gray, the reset option is missing, or the dash still says dealer only after the correct steps, stop there. Repeating key cycles or pedal moves will not force it through. The manual path is closed on that vehicle. At that point, the other verified fix is an advanced scan tool with the correct service functions turned on. It must do more than read fault codes. It needs the oil reset function, the right service license, and the ability to authenticate past the security gateway so it can write the new oil life value into the engine control unit or the body control module, depending on the vehicle. On a protected setup, the block happens before the reset command ever reaches the module. That is why a cheap code reader may connect, show faults, and still fail to reset the oil life. After the reset works, check the oil life value in the cluster or service menu. Even when the reset is good, the warning may not clear that same second. Some vehicles need a short drive of about 5 minutes before the instrument cluster checks the engine control unit and removes the warning from the screen. If the oil life value changed, but the warning stays on, shut the car off, start it again, and take that short drive before you decide the reset failed. If you leave the lockout alone, you can end up driving with an old warning that never cleared, and later you will not know if the next reminder is fresh or stale. Match the reset method to the exact vehicle, then make sure the oil life value actually changed before you call it done.